Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. First, let's establish the car's overall proportions. Lightly sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body, keeping it about 3 times longer than it is tall. Then, add a gentle curve for the roofline, connecting the front and back. Finally, place 2 small circles for the wheel arches, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Now, let's refine the car's silhouette. Smooth out the lines, connecting the roof to the main body with elegant curves that define the Taycan's sleek profile. Sketch the unique 4-point LED headlights and the continuous taillight strip across the rear. Then, draw the wheels and tires, making sure they fill about 2/3 of the wheel wells. Next, we'll bring in some of the Taycan's signature details. Carefully draw the sleek side mirrors and the subtle door lines. Focus on the front bumper, adding the prominent air intakes that give the Turbo S its aggressive look. Don't forget the subtle character lines that flow along the side, adding depth and realism to your drawing. For our final steps, let's bring your drawing to life. Gently erase any initial guidelines that are no longer needed. Now, add some light shading to create depth, especially under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body curves. Finally, go over your main outlines with a slightly darker line to make your Porsche Taycan Turbo S pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.